Welcome to Greywater Reclamation Systems. The purpose of this course is to help you design, build, and operate your own greywater reclamation system or alternative water harvesting system, be it for your home or your business. The main focus of this course will be on your home greywater reclamation systems. Having a greywater reclamation system installed on your home or business will reduce your water bill and water consumption. We will go over the different types of greywater reclamation systems and what type of system would be best for your needs. We will cover the do's and don'ts of greywater usage. While system designs may vary from one installation to another, the major components are much the same, as you will learn about in Lecture 4. In Lecture 7, we will go over alternative water harvesting sources and water-saving devices. There are simple things you can start doing today in your own home to conserve water. Now, let's get started.